Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. I'm back with a haul, and today I'm going to show you some things that I picked up at, just a little bit of things I picked up at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. Joann's was having a sale that I wanted to go to, and then Hobby Lobby was nearby, so I decided to stop by. Something I want to tell you about Joann's though was I wanted to get some of their solid core paper because it was on sale for like, I don't know, $3 something this week, the value packs, and I was trying to order online because you can do an extra 25% off if you do the curbside pickup. But their app was being crazy. I would put everything in my cart. I had like 20 something items in my cart. I had more stuff other than paper. And I would get into my cart, and then it's like, you have items in your cart that exceed the amount of, items that's available in the store. Check the quantities. So I'd check all the quantities and there would be plenty. I would only have like one of something that supposedly there was 7 of them available in the store. So then one by one I would have to try to remove it and figure out, okay, which item is it that's causing the problem, because it wouldn't show you. So then I would figure that out. Okay, get that item out of my cart. Now I'm going to go to checkout. I go to checkout and then the app would shut down. I would literally hit checkout and the app would shut down. I did this 3 times, and then I would open it back up and my cart would be empty. I was so frustrated. So I go into Joann's, I go get all the things that I want, and I go to the checkout, and I'm like, I told the person, first off, I started off and I said, hi, do you guys know if you're having a problem with your app right now? And she's like, yes. She was actually on her phone. She was like, yes, I can't even get on the app. And I'm like, okay, good, it's not just me. And she's like, what happened to you? And I told her. She's like, girl, I'm gonna give you that 25% off. I was like, thank you so much. I was about to scream. I was gonna throw my phone. It was making me so frustrated. So anyway, if you ever have problems like that, just go in and tell them. My person was really great and gave me the deal. Let me show you Hobby Lobby really quick, because there's really not that much from Hobby Lobby. The reason why I went there was because I'm getting ready to do a flower project, and I had bought this before, and I wanted to get another one. So I thought these were so pretty, and you can just like cut them out. This is from the ribbon section, which is 50% off right now. So you can just cut these individual pieces out and use them. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use this in a flower project. So I got that. Then I'm still finding clearance ribbon, you guys. I found this one, which was so pretty. It was only $1.24. It was originally $4.99. And then I got some crepe paper. I have a pink one, but I saw these. They're only $1 for those big old things, which is a lot more than you get at the Dollar Tree. And this one seems to be a little bit thicker, so I thought that was a good deal. Then I went into the wood pile section looking for something, which I didn't find, but I ended up coming across these super cute little painted shapes of baby deer, and we all know that I love baby deer and swans, so yes, these weren't on sale, but these were only $2.69, I want to say. Let's open it really quick and see what's in it. So you've got that really cute flower. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. Hello, little one. And this pretty sparkly swan, and then this little baby deer. So cute for $2.69. I thought that was a good deal. Then the his and her section was 50% off. I found these gold little flowers that I thought would be cute for like layering and stuff, or putting on embellishments. And I saw these in the sewing section. I thought these were super cute. And then I found this decorative trim. It's just like gold, kind of like a rope trim. And I thought this would be good to wrap, like when you're making tassels, to wrap this around it to secure it. We'll test it and see. So that was Hobby Lobby. And then next is Joann's. We got, so I only got 4 packs of the paper. I got these are 50 sheets. They ended up only being like 2 something after that 25%, the additional 25%. And they're all solid core. I got this one. I really like that lime green in that one. And then I got this one, which I didn't have any gray paper. And then I got this blue one. Oops. And let's see what else I got. They also are having a sale on their embossing folders. So their embossing folders were 5 for $10, making them $2 each, which would have been 50% off because I think these are $3.99. So I got these feathers and these whales. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? And these stars and the anchors and these stars. Then I came across these cute little gift tags that they had in these these bins. So they have these bins of like, just, I don't know what, like value deals, I guess you would say. They were over in the paper section, and I just thought those were so cute. You could put those on a tag flip if you wanted to, like a rainbow tag flip or a unicorn tag flip or whatever. Just cute little, or you could put it on a gift bag for somebody. And then also in that same bin, I found this cute little tulip paper punch, hole punch, paper punch. And these were on sale, not the best deal, but because I had that 25% off, I just decided to grab them anyway. So it's just some sequin trim. And they also, oh, I found another one of those cute little paper punches. These were on sale, so it wasn't $2.49, I can't remember. They were on sale, plus I got that 25% off. And then I got some embossing powder, which was also on sale. So it's like holographic gold. And then I just got a bunch of papers. They still had some of the garden party, so I got, whoa. So I got some of the garden party. Let me see if I can, and I got some other papers that were really cute. So let's see, we got that one, and I got this pink one. I love the chicken. And this one, I think I'm gonna use my KS Craft cake and macaroon die to make a shaker to go with this. And let's see, this is from the Damask Love collection. I just thought this was so cute. And then also same collection. And then I do not know, I must have accidentally grabbed this because I did not want this one. Same collection. And what collection is this one from? This one? Oh, I guess I did grab it. She just flipped it around. Okay, it's double-sided. Okay, I did grab it. So that's the other side. This was the side I wanted. And I don't know what collection that's from. Oh, it is. It's the Damask Love collection. Okay, don't mind me, guys. Let's see. Okay, and then the other one, this was also Damask Love, and I thought these were so cute. They're laying out in the pool. What's the other side look like? Oh, the water. That's so cute. And then, so this, I got another one of these, and then the back side of this one is palm trees on a pink background. And then the same collection, the Damask Love, I got this. It's so cute for summer. And on the back side, it's got that. And then we got some more Maggie Holmes from the garden party. I got this one. I was surprised they still had some at this one that I went to, because all the other Joann's I've been to over the last couple of weeks, they're just totally out. I got this one. And then finally I found this super cute bumblebee and beehive paper. Is this two-sided? No, this is not two-sided. It's kind of thin paper. It's American Crafts paper, but I thought that was so cute. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, I think that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you'll subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment, leave a like, and have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.